Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys app notification setting guys. How can we on guys? Guys, you want guys any app notification on your screen guys when you operate your phone. And guys, you want guys your WhatsApp notification, like your Chrome notification, Play Store notification, Photos notification, like that guys. You want your notification guys, your app notification. So guys, how can you on your app notification in your Samsung phone guys? In this video guys, I am going to show you. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting. So guys, after that guys, you can see this tab settings. So guys, you can see guys your notification settings. So guys, tap here. Then guys, you can see guys this option, more options. So guys, tap here first of all, and guys, you can see guys your only these apps. So guys, you want guys more apps. So guys, click on this most recent, and guys, you can see blocked and most very frequent and guys all apps. So we will click on all app setting. So which app notification guys, like this your Chrome notification guys, here this settings notification guys you want to on it. So guys, you can on from here guys. Your file notification guys you want to on guys, Gmail notification, Google notification, Play Store notification guys, Maps notification. So guys, you can on from here guys. The right side guys, tap here to on this notification. So guys, so are your friends who and guys phone notification is not here. Message notification guys you want to on. So guys, you can on from here guys. So are your friends who have understood how to on app notification in our Samsung phone? So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.